Okay, I'm going to give the first ever Capital Factory pitch while I drive. So notice that I'm looking at the road while I drive, going to pick up my kids, and I'll be down there for Kip's presentation here shortly. But anyway, Group Charger is a web app that helps alumni associations, clubs, and chapters grow and engage their membership. And the problem that they're having today, the Texas A&Ms of the world that we're talking with, the problem that they're having today is they don't have very good visibility of what's going on at the local club and chapter level. And they know that the local club and chapters, if they're engaged and they're involved and they connect to them, that those equate to scholarship dollars, among other things. So their big mission today is to improve that number, to improve scholarship dollars, and the way that they need to do it is through engagement. Well, a big problem they have to start is that their data a lot of times is not very good, and that they don't have a way to measure engagement. In other words, how involved, committed, participatory the member is. So we have a way to do that. It's called Group Charger. That's the web app. We also have something within the tool called Group Score that helps to measure engagement and give that back to the leaders of the group. Thank you.